Hello! Today we are going to be taking a look at this quite interesting device that I recently purchased. It is warmer mug that is dedicated to keep your beverage hot while you are working like in front of your computer. This is a replacement for a device that I extremely love and I cannot imagine having life without it. Once you use it, you are going to be loving it forever. And I'm talking about my Ember mug, and you most likely know it from my channel, and that's because I was doing repair video on the coaster. Those Ember mugs I love so much that I actually own 3 of them, 1 white and 2 blacks, but they've got design flaw that every single person that I know and I check online have got the same, and those pogo pins are stop springing back, and that's because when you've got like a liquid pour in, because it is a coaster, this is why you are basically using that tool to not stain your desk, so you can expect that some drip you are going to get, and they are failing like a flies. I hear that the Ember got no problem replacing them, but I fix myself, and you can check my other video when I show you step by step how to repair it. But this is not the problem because I know how to fix it and I can do it without any issue. The real problem I've got with this unit, if you take a look inside, you can see that the bottom part, it is flaking off. And here you can see like a exposed material, and that black thing is basically gone. And you might think that maybe that unit was defective, maybe this is some sort of manufacturing problem. But as I told you, I absolutely love it. And in meantime, like couple months later, I purchased second unit, and it's got exactly the same problem. As much as I love this product, I absolutely cannot recommend you it because of that, and I will not buy them again. So I started looking for replacement, and that's because I really love it. And now we are going to be taking a look at this device, and that's because most likely it is going to be resolving all those issues that I presented you. As you can see, it is being called 2-in-1 mug warmer and wireless charger, and the coaster is wireless Qi charger. So from technical point of view, you could use it to recharge your phone. And here we've got the most important thing, we've got the wireless charging and the self-heating thermostat. From technical point of view, in 1 or 2 aspects, depending what you are looking for, this is a downgrade, but for me, those upgrades that I'm going to be presenting you are canceling each other, so most likely I will be more happy with this. So let's take a look what this device can do, and as you can see, it can keep your beverage hot at 55 Celsius degree, and this is the first downgrade. This device is only designed for that one single temp, and from my point of view, this is absolutely not a problem. For the Ember mug, you had to use the application, and I basically set it once and forget, never use it. And I'm also pretty sure that I was hovering around 50 Celsius degree, so the 55 from my point of view is like a good spot, so this is a no issue. Now we go to the second negative thing that this device have got, or what actually do not have, and it do not have built-in battery. And this is one of the reasons why I was loving the Ember mug, because for example, while recording a video, I can have my tea here, and I was keeping it like outside of camera so you cannot see it, but during like a break I can grab it and I've got my tea still hot. This device needs to be kept on coaster, so I've got one coaster near my computer. I've got a second one in kitchen, and I was recharging them and then using like a standalone. Here you do not have that possibility. It has to be constantly on the coaster to keep warm. So this is a big negative from my point of view, and you have to like weigh it by yourself. But those were the negatives, and now we go only into positives that make it great. And one of the best thing is that you could actually wash it inside of a dishwasher, and most likely that's because you do not have a battery, so it is like a more easy to make it waterproof. Then let's do a proper unboxing and let's see what we've got inside. And first we've got our user manual with the technical specifications, so you are welcome to take a look and make a pause, just in case you would be interested and searching for some detail. And here we've got our coaster, and just take a look at that beauty. Here we've got our Qi charging coil. We've got no metal parts exposed, like it is a totally seal. Here for compare we've got our Ember mag, and you got those pogo pins that need to match here, and you can see that it is already corroded here, so sometimes it didn't work properly. You had to move it, like this is not a joke. I really love it, but yeah, you see, there were a downside. Here you've got the input voltage and power, so it will be delivering 24 watt while warming, and this is how it's presenting. To be honest, it is really nice. Let's see what else we've got. Here we've got our mag and power brick. This is our charger that is being included, and let's take a look at the specification. And it can deliver 24 watts of power, so 2 amp at 12 volt. And we've got also a different voltages, so yes, it is pretty decent. And we've got a USB-E. And here we've got a cable USB-E to USB-C. And of course, what we are going to be doing, we are going to be trying it from like a regular power bank, since we've got that USB plug. And this is our beauty. And what you can see already is that here it is ceramic. Everything that you can see here is made out of ceramic material. Even the bottom, you see that? So in my personal opinion, we are not going to get any problems, because yeah, it is like your totally regular mag. It is ceramic, so I do not expect we are going to be getting any problems. Since we do not have battery here, then the only thing they had to do is to put like a heating element and the charging coil here, and they call it a day. So we've got like a no exposed metal, no exposed contacts. We just got a mag that absolutely feel just like a regular one. If I give it to someone and they didn't know that company, it will pass like a regular mag. I can promise you that. No one will know. Just take a look at this. Absolutely beautiful, and the size is great. And you can throw it into a dishwasher. I love it. So let's take a look how it fit our coaster. And as you can see, very nicely, it go like this. Yeah, great. The only thing, the downside, we do not have battery, so you cannot have it like this. You need to put it. If this is a big deal, you have to weigh by yourself. Let's check it out. Let's see what will happen when I plug it to like a goal 0. So here we've got a beautiful goal 0. Let's grab a Thunderbolt cable. Let me plug here. Let me plug our USB-C, and this is great because if you've got like a problem. The Ember mug was using dedicated charger, as you can see. Here you can use any power bank, portable power bank, or if you want like a different power brick. So that's make a lot of sense. And when we drop it, you can see that the back is lighting up. And most likely they detecting we do not have any liquid. But let's take a look what kind of power we've got. And I'm reading here 20 watt. I'm reading 18, 19, almost 20 watt. Let me put my hand and I can feel that it is warming up really quickly. The bottom is warming up, and yeah, it is absolutely beautiful. So I deeply believe we need to give it a try. Special for you, I created this test setup. We've got tea inside of our mug with this thermal probe that is giving us readout, and we've got that vintage iPad for measuring time. And let's put it like this and give it like a 10 or 15 minutes, and let's observe what's going to be happening. Will it go down or will it keep it up? Let's see. So this is how our temp is presenting after almost 20 minutes. As you can see, it is jumping up and down. Most likely it is currently modulating the output power. Now let's do like a finger test. And yes, it is really present. Most likely the heating element and the temp is being measured on the bottom. So let's take a look. As you can see here, we've got like a 52 Celsius on top. Yeah, it tastes very good. And because we've got that ceramic thing, it tastes like a regular tea. So as you can see, our device is operating very well. And I hope it will last much longer than our Ember mug. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.